In this short demo, you'll see how actiPLANS helps you manage leaves and organize your team's schedule. We'll show you the main features and share some quick tips to help you set up your actiPLANS account. Let's start with leave management. The leave planning chart shows your personal time off calendar, your current PTO balance, and your teammates' scheduled absences, all in one place. To request time off, pick the dates, choose the leave type, and hit Submit Request. After submission, the request appears in Leave Requests, and your manager is notified automatically. As a manager, you can also review and process your team's leave request directly on the chart. Approved requests are highlighted in a solid color, and those still awaiting approval are displayed with a crosshatch pattern. To approve, simply click the request and select the action. The employee will be updated right away. To get a broader view of your team's time off, run the Leave Time Report. It provides absence history, along with up-to-date PTO balances. You can fine-tune the report, set the date range, choose grouping options, and include only the users or leave types you want to review. And if you need to share the results, just export the report to PDF or CSV. One of the key benefits of actiPLANS is that it calculates PTO balances automatically. Now, let's walk through how to configure the accrual rules. Users can have two separate leave balances, paid time off and sick days. Accrual rules can be set globally or for each user individually. Here, you define how many days are earned, how often they accrue, and the maximum balance that can roll over. You can also adjust balances manually when needed. You can review balance changes in the Balance History by User report. Now, let's see how actiPLANS helps with scheduling. You can plan different types of work activities and statuses. For example, if your team works across different offices or remotely, you can easily plan and track their work locations. actiPLANS displays work locations on an intuitive timeline, so you always know where your team is working from. To schedule a location, select the date range on the timeline, choose the type, and click Save. The Locations report provides a breakdown of how many days or hours employees spend in each workplace. Location planning is just one use case. actiPLANS lets you schedule shifts, office days, remote work, events, and more. Now that we've covered the core features, let's take a look at the corporate work schedule. This is where you create your company calendar. You can mark non-working days manually or import a holiday list. You can also set PTO blackout days here, meaning users won't be able to submit leave requests for those dates. Now, let's take a look at a few additional actiPLANS features. If you want your leave schedule to appear in Google or Outlook, you can sync it using the icon feature. Simply create the feed link, copy it, and paste it into your external calendar settings. There's also a mobile app, so you can manage leave requests from anywhere, see who's out, and notify your team if you're running late or heading out early. If you want to take your workflow further, you can integrate actiPLANS with actiTime, our time tracking tool that also supports project management and billing. That's a quick overview of actiPLANS. If you have questions or want a personalized walkthrough, just book a demo, we'll be happy to help.